So we are at DK Beauty today, teaching a chrome stamping workshop, which I'm very much excited for. So let's go in and see what's going on.
This was such a cool day that DK Beauty put on in collaboration with Fuzion, and I was very excited to be invited to come to it as well. So first thing I wanted to do though is check out what was new at DK Beauty. I love that we have this store in Lethbridge as well as their main branch in Calgary, because I'm able to actually go in person and see a bunch of different items whenever I'm able to. So I was checking out some of the new releases. Glitter Mix Canada had a whole bunch of really cool things. I always look at the tips from Apres. It's so nice to see these in person, and then you can see the different colors. Beanie Beauty Box is new to DK Beauty, so I was checking out which options they had in Lethbridge, and then I wanted to check out some more of the Akzentz Luxio colors too, but I just really love looking at all of the different things. It's so much fun. So into the education room here, they had it all set up really nice for the Fuzion demos, and they had a whole bunch of really cool Fuzion products that you could check out in the storefront as well. And then they were also giving away one of these easy gel kits at the event too. Seriously, you guys, if you could attend any of these type of events in person, they are so much fun, and there is a lot of education. There's a lot of collaboration, talking with other nail techs. One of my favorite things about this particular event was watching Cheryl work. I have not been to an event with a pro nail tech demoing like this for a very long time, and it just brought me right back to when I used to take education and training, and it was just so much fun watching her work. And another thing that you guys might not know is that DK Beauty does offer a lot of in-person training, and truly there is nothing like in-person training. You can learn as much as you possibly can online, but actually seeing people work in person is just such a different experience. So it was a very fun event to be a part of, and Cheryl did some demos of their new Easy Gel from Fuzion, as well as how to do an ombre and some other really great things. She is an excellent educator, so it was really cool to see her back in her element here, teaching, and it was really cool. So after Cheryl was done, I was going to set up to do some chrome stamping demos. I was invited to share some of my chrome stamping techniques and some of the different products that I like to use when I am demoing. So I'm just going to get my station all set up. It was nice to have basically what I needed here. So I am also going to set up my little swatch book thing. This has a lot of my tutorials in it, as well as my online workshops that I offer, so people can see a variety of different things that you can find on my online platforms.
This one, because it's got really big centers here for doing your big chrome if you wanted. But it's also got really nice outlines for what we're going to do for this one. So we're going to just use a normal polish for our center. Sometimes the quarter ones are a little annoying. So let me see. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was able to get most of it. But you see how some of that didn't transfer there? I would still make that work. I would just turn my stamper and use the other side of it. And even though some of this didn't transfer in here, once you get your outline on, you probably won't even really notice it. So from here, I'm actually going to go in and do my matte top coat now to seal that in. Because again, when we do our chrome stamping, we don't want, we want to be working on a matte surface. I always find a focal point of my image, and then I find where I stamped it to, and that's how I'm going to know where to put my outline. Go in with our clear. Sometimes this takes a little bit. I always like to suggest to anchor your pinky too, so it's easier to kind of position your outline. I'm going to stamp that down. We're going to go right in. I feel like I waited too long though. You can see some of the outline though.
Oh,
it's
so
kind of
cute.
a cool look. Yeah, actually this in a gold chrome would be so cool. So that's another way you can do your chrome stamping, is to just use it as an outline as well. You do have to work pretty quick with it. Well, all stamping polishes, but line that one up right there. And it gives it a cool ombre look.
That's so cool.
Isn't that cute? That blue one is so sparkly.
I have such a passion for teaching and showing like unique things that you can do with your nail products. So being invited to these sorts of events just really is something special for me. I very much enjoy it. So I did some demos with like chrome stamping as like an outline, as well as chrome stamping as like centers. I showed like how to work with like the black and the white, or like how I like to work with the black and the white, I should say. And just some really fun techniques. And it was really cool to get different feedback in person. And I just had so much fun. So thank you, DK Beauty.
This is supposed to be in here too. Pretend that's in there. I'll show you guys what that is, but we'll unbox the rest of this here first. Okay, so these are some products available at DK Beauty, and they put together like a curated box like this for me to try out some different products and share some new stuff with you. One thing about DK Beauty though is I think that people don't realize all of the different brands that they carry. Like they have Clear Jelly Stamper, they have Coco and Clara, they now carry Be Me Beauty Box, they have Apres, they have Akzentz, they have the gel bottle, they have Glitter Mix Canada stuff, like so many different things. It's truly just like one-stop shopping. So let's go through here. New cuticle oil to try. This is Light and Shadow Cuticle Oil Serum. What kind is this one? Spring Steps. Take the rest of the stuff out here. So some new gel polish colors here. A new line to DK Beauty. It is called Suntan, and this is just their regular lotion for me to try out, but they do have a variety of different like gradual tans and tanning systems. And this is actually something that they have a new online program for if it was something that you wanted to offer in your nail salon as well. So just something to keep in mind there as well. Ooh, Clear Jelly Stamper watercolor brush. I've been wanting to try this. And then this is a new Clear Jelly Stamper plate that was recently released. This is absolutely perfect for summer as well as like holidays or vacation type of things. So it is like a neon stamping plate. Like you could do this on top of black. And actually you could do this on top of any color, but if you did it on black, the reason that it's going to work so good is because there's like thicker outlines and then there's thinner inlines as well. So it's a really cool product that Clear Jelly Stamper released. And then along with that is they do have new stamping polishes. So these are their neon stamping polishes. They have 7 neon stamping polishes already. They are absolutely excellent. Neon number 1 is one of my favorite hot pinks. But they do have now 5 new neon stamping polish colors that are available as well. And these neons like are excellent for summertime nail art, but a lot of times I end up using these type of brighter colors a lot throughout the year as well.
I'm just going to say this right off the bat, but whenever Clear Jelly Stamper releases neon stamping polishes, they are absolutely fantastic. Every single one in this collection stamped so bright and bold. I stamped them on white here, but I also did stamp them all on black too. That way you could see what they look like on top of light and dark colors, but very bold. And I don't actually have a top coat on these little swatches here, but if you put a top coat on them, they're going to pop even more. The only one was the purple on the black. Wasn't super bold, but everything else just stood out so nice here. And this stamping plate I cannot wait to play with. I want to try it out with some different colors, not just on top of blacks, but it looks so fun.
Beautiful oil here. This is from Apres, and they're like light and shadow line. They have some really cool gel polishes in that as well. But this is their cuticle oil. This reminds me, oh my gosh, it's shimmery. It's shimmery, guys. Shake the bottle to mix the serum, then apply a few drops around your cuticle area. Oh, fun. Okay, let's see what this smells like. Oh, hello. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Look at that little tiny dropper too. It's like the perfect little end. Oh my god, that smells so good. It smells very perfumey, but like a light perfume. Okay, you are sitting on my nail desk. That is great. I swear everything that Apres launches is just awesome. Okay, this is Clear Jelly Stamper's watercolor brush, which I have yet to try. So I'm very much looking forward to this. So it is a teal like matte brush, a 00 brush, which would be my ideal. Usually with a watercolor brush, you have, I shouldn't say usually, but like the watercolor brushes I like, they have like a fatter belly and then they like lean into smaller bristles. So I'll definitely give that a try and see what I think for it as well. So for the colors, we have 3 gel polish colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, that one is beautiful. This one I know is from Fusion's recent collection. It's like a bridal collection. And then a beautiful purple. This color from the gel bottle is called Hot, and it is a stunning hot pink, but it's got like really, really fine shimmers in it as well. Let me see. That is such a beautiful color. From Apres, this one is called Will Ube Mine, and it's a fantastic purple. Oh my, I can't believe I didn't have this one already in my collection. Beautiful. It's like the perfect like medium purple tone. Fusion's Fortify like gel polish line, they recently had like a wedding collection release. This is number 93, and it is like, oh hello, like a beautiful neutral. That is absolutely stunning. Studio Effects Chrome, hello, love those. Some gel play glitters. Okay, so this is gel play glitter in glistening gold. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, I just love this color. It's like a beautiful champagne-y color. This stir stick is also from Akzentz, and it just works like fantastic. The girl I go to see to get my nails done, she was using it, and I was like, I absolutely need that. What a beautiful color. I have exactly the client I know is going to want this. Gel play glitter in Pink Crush. Oh, yes, like a nice chunky glitter. Look at that one. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a really thin gel as well. Like lots of glitter in there. And a nice like holographic, like pinky purplish type of color.
Sometimes when you're working with these more chunky loose glitters, it's not so much like a painting motion when you're applying it, it's kind of like a patting motion, and I am just kind of moving the glitters around to be where I want them to be, but in most cases you might have to encapsulate some of these more chunkier glitters.
And then some reflective glitters from Glitter Mix Canada as well. And then this chrome here too, blush chrome. Oh my gosh, okay, so many great chromes here. So Glitter Mix Canada has these little pots of reflective glitters, and they had some of these to share at the Back to Beauty show, and you can do some really fun sugar nail art with this. This gold is stunning. This is Periwinkle. Periwinkle is just like a stunning light blue purple. These are so sparkly, you guys. Like these are unreal. And I know they had reflective glitters before. These ones are a little bit more holographic, and they seem like they're a finer glitter too. Let me grab the other ones that I have. A couple more of them. We have the Reflection and Aquamarine, oh my gosh, Lime, Rose, and then this one is Pink Diamond to go through as well. Let's just keep them in like a little candy dish. I actually have room at my desk, so I'm gonna keep this on my desk too. The Lime, such a stunning color. Then this is the Aquamarine. And you can mix these with like your gels, you can mix these with your acrylics, you can do sugaring with them. Like loose glitter is so versatile. This is the Pink Diamond. So it's like a cool toned pink. Oh my gosh, my camera is like, what do you want me to focus on, lady? And this one this is the Rose one. So it's more of like a warmer toned pink. And again, just so sparkly. No, I gotta zoom out to show you guys these. So pretty. chromes as well. We have Fusion's holographic chrome, which I have the holographic pink chrome from Fusion, and it is great. So this is their hollow kind. So like obviously you guys can use these for like chrome nails. I tend to use these a lot for chrome stamping. That is what the hollow looks like just as a powder.
I have a tricky nail art video up that goes over a lot of different tips and tricks for working with chromes, but just as like a little gist of it, I am using the Akzentz Shine On as my base for the tacky top coat that I want to use for the chrome to go onto, because it works so good for all of these demos.
And then we have 2 gel bottle chromes, which I really like. The quality of these chromes, they are so nice. So this one is bronze, and it's a beautiful like darker gold here. And then this one is blush, which is just a stunning like deeper pink here. I'm such a fan of these chromes. You see me use a few of them at the beginning of this video at the workshop. These are some of the other ones that I have as well. Actually, I'll zoom you guys out so you guys can actually see like all of the different colors. This is Spectrum, this is Iridescent, this is Iced. This is great for like white chrome stamping. Pearl, and then this is one of my absolute favorites. This one's called Prism. And then Luster as well.
Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would love if you could comment below and let me know some of your nail art inspirations you would like me to see created with some of these different products. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!